In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues of phone calls on low volume for iPhone 14 devices. So this will also work for all iPhone 14 models, including the standard version, the Pros, the Maxes, and also the Pluses as well. So let's just dive straight in and fix this issue. And there's actually two separate things that we can fix for encountering this issue. And both of these can be found in the Settings app. So I'll just go and open Settings. Now, the first thing that I recommend you to check is actually the sounds and haptics within the settings. So if I tap into here, as you can see, we now have the ringtone and alert volume. Now, this is actually a separate volume control to the volume buttons on the side of the phone. These volume buttons control like videos and music. But for this one, this is for alerts such as text messages and phone calls. So if this is set to low, all you have to do is slide this up, and now you'll have a louder phone call volume. And you can also make this as loud as you want, completely up to you. And also, if you're looking to sync the volume buttons with this as well, because as you can see, my volume on the side here for videos is set to low, but my ringtone is set to kind of medium. However, if you want to sync those two up, you can just by toggling this up. And now the volume buttons on the side will control my ringtone volume and the volume for videos as well. So that's a really quick, easy fix on kind of how to resolve the issue of a low volume for whenever you get incoming calls. Now, there's actually one other thing that you can try as well. Now, if you go back to Settings and then go to Face ID and Passcode, so I'll just put in my passcode to get to these options. Now, once you're in here, we just have to scroll down. And right here, we have a feature called Attention Aware Features. Now, pretty much what this does is that once you get an incoming call, and if you look at the iPhone camera or you kind of look at the Face ID, this will actually lower the volume of that incoming call. It's just one of those weird kind of iPhone features. Now, if you turn this off, this will actually disable that, and your incoming call volume will stay the same whether you look at the Face ID camera or not. So there you have it, guys. Those are really two quick and easy fixes on how you can resolve the iPhone call volume that is low on iPhone 14 devices. So if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.